फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं हम सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइज। एंड अगेन दिस इज अ नेल आर्ट वीडियो। यू गाइज really love my nail art videos. Thank you so much. And if you guys really love me and my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload you guys will see it first. And I always give hearts to my early fantastics, and make sure you guys are here within the first 4 hours of the upload. Then I will also give you heart and likes if you guys watch this and like this video. So fantastic, today's video is a nail art video, and since you guys really like my nail art video, most of you guys have suggested in the comments in the last videos कि मैं थोड़ा सा festive look nail art करूँ, क्योंकि you know दशहरा, दिवाली and all the festive season is coming up. And so fantastic, for that special occasion and for that glow up, you guys will need to glow up your nails as well. If you guys have nails and if you guys want to do amazing nail art on them, you guys are on the right place. So today I am doing something similar to this picture, and this is like a mild nudish pink base, and we have gradient of hollow glitter as well as pink glitter. So हम लोग को जो आज supplies चाहिए for making this nail art, we need a sponge. You guys can pretty much use any sponge, and also can use makeup sponges. And this is normal melamine sponge, and if you guys want to purchase it, I will give an Amazon link down in the description. So I will also link all the products that I am using in today's video. So for the base, I am using this nude nail polish, which is like raspberry macaroons. Wow, that is a delicious name, by the way. And I am using this silver hollow glitter nail polish, and also this, because this has big chunks of glitter and this has small chunks of glitter, so I am thinking about mixing these two. And also this pink glitter for that gradient effect. So this is that, and also a base and a top coat. So yeah, without talking much, let's get started with our nail art. So fantastics, let's apply our base coat on our nails, and this is going to be fast forwarded. So let's go. So fantastic, now our base coat is fully dried, and now I'm going to start with my base color, which is this nude color. And yeah, let's start painting, and this is going to be fast forwarded as well. So yeah, let's see. So these two fingers are done, and similarly I'm going to be doing these fingers off camera as well. So fantastic, as you guys can see, our 5 fingers are done. As you guys can see, this color literally looks amazing on the fingers. And yeah, now we are going to do a final top coat on this, and then we'll start our nail art procedure. So fantastic. As you guys can see, the top coat is done and I'm going to dry this for another 10 minutes and I'll be right back. So fantastic. Now my nails are all dried, and practically if you guys like it like just like this, you can literally just leave it here, or if you want an extra festive effect like in your nails, this looks amazing. Like this looks perfect to me, but if you guys want something else, like something more fun, then you can do this gradient. So I have done a few gradients before, and I have done single gradient on my nails before, but I have never done double gradient, and that too with a glitter. So yeah, let's see. So first we are going to take a sponge that is pretty dense and we are going to cut it. So now I'll tell you how to cut. Like we just need this much, and then we need to cut the sponge like pretty straight, and then we need a very little part of this, like just how much your nail would fit, just that much. And yeah, that's it. We can use this like multiple times if you want, and like this is the perfect shape for me to just press on my nails. So this is what I'm going to use today. So let's see how to make that gradient effect. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit, and yeah, let's see. So first we need to make a gradient in just this much space, and this should be empty. So yeah, let's see. I'm using this pink glitter for the first layer. So yeah, let's add the first glitter layer like this, and put a lot क्योंकि हमारा sponge बहुत सारा glitter soak कर लेता है, and like this much. Now we are going to put our hollow glitter into it, and yeah, we are going to layer that as well. So yeah, let's take this and layer it on here as well. So guys, don't be stingy with it and add as much as you like for that gradient effect. And I'm going to do a lot. And yeah, so this is how the gradient looks. So yeah, let's pat it fast and let's see how it looks. So put it like this and let's stamp. Like this. So this looks something like this. You can even add more. So our first nail looks like this. Oh my god, how beautiful does this look? Let me do the final top coat and then I'll show you guys the final result. So let's do this. And this is how it looks like. Oh my god, this looks amazing. And now I am going to do all the nails off camera and I will be right back in a second. So fantastic. As you guys can see, the final look is done and I'm pretty impressed with this. And this is looking like super gorgeous, and I just literally love my nails right now. Like they look super festive and super nice. And yeah, that's it for today's video. What do you guys think about my nails? And please don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, Fantastic Diaries. There also we have a lot of nail videos, nail reviews, and also nail art. So if you want that, you can also subscribe my second channel, and please don't forget to like this video. Please give this video 500 likes, and yeah, that's all for today's video. And comment down any ideas you guys have for future nail art videos. This looks super amazing to me, and yeah, that's all for today's video. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.